What's going on, everyone? Well, we gotta do some repairs. Got a ride coming up in a couple weeks, and there's a couple different things that I have to do. One, I want to try to fix that. I've seen a couple videos of where people stitch them together using wire, so that's what I think I'm going to do. And then one of my whip lights doesn't work, so I'm going to rewire that. And these pins right here that hold the doors in, I don't know if you can see that or not, but I lost the C-clips, the keepers for them, so I gotta buy new ones and mess around with that. And the door doesn't close, so I gotta mess around with that too and see what's going on. First thing is getting these plastics off. I've never taken the entire plastic off before. I've just basically fixed the flares and stuff like that, so I got to figure out how to take that long rocker panel off to fix that crack, so hopefully it doesn't spread any further. And finally, I'm going to attempt to clean this and make it see-through again so I can use it before I buy a new one. Right, I'm going to attempt to stitch this back together. This is gonna look like, make sure you guys can see that. I've seen a couple of videos on this done with a lot smaller gauge wire. It's a lot easier to bend and maneuver and everything, but I kind of wanted the strength of the thicker gauge wire, which is why I'm using this wire. Sometimes the stitches loosen up on the inside, so you gotta kind of go back and tighten everything back up. Kind of twist it around right here on the inside, where obviously you can't see it, just so that the ends don't come loose on me. Of what it looks like when it's done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a hammer and something, probably another hammer behind it, and I'm going to tap these down. That's why I use a little bit thicker gauge wire, because the wire doesn't move as much, but hopefully this is enough to keep this crack from, you know, spreading further. All right, there it is. We'll see how long it lasts, but hopefully the crack won't go up any further than what it is.